Hi, I'm Matthew. How do we pronounce ed ending words like? For the ed endings, there's three sounds. Why are there three sounds? Well, it all depends on what the word ends with before you add the ed sound. Okay, so number one, you make the t sound as in asked if the word is ending with a voiceless consonant sound, except if the word ends with a T, as in want, or a T sound. You don't use the T sound when adding the ed to the ending. Here are some examples. Face, faced. Ask, asked. Watch, watched. Okay, so let's move on to number two. Hi, I'm Matthew. Number two, you make the d sound as in rained if the word is ending in a voiced consonant sound or a vowel sound, except if the word is ending with a d as in need. You don't make the d sound when adding the ed sound. So here are some examples. Love, loved. Allow, allowed. Sail, sailed. Spy, spied. Okay, so let's get on to number three. Number three, the id sound, id. So when you're adding the ed, you need to make this sound to all words ending with a T or a D sound. So that's a T or a D sound, as in want or need. Okay, so want or need. So here's some examples. Want, wanted. Need, needed. Plead, pleaded. Waste, wasted. Okay, so that's it for today. Please remember to and share. So bye and see you next time.